Stephen with Bellwether here. Today we're going to talk about your siding project before, during, and after. So before, I think it's really important to know that right after you sign a contract with us and we've made an agreement to do this project, we're going to come to your house for a pre-construction meeting. At that pre-construction meeting will be your project guide, project manager, and you, the homeowner, and we're going to walk around and we're going to take final measurements and we're going to make sure that everything that we specify for your project, for all the materials that we're going to purchase and deliver to your home, are the same thing that's been agreed upon, so that the work scope matches what you were hoping for. Next is installation day. We're going to do a pre-installation walkthrough just to guarantee the work scope again, and that's when the work starts. And we don't stop from there on out. We're going to be there every day, not typically Sunday, but if the weather's good and we're trying to get done, we want to get your project completed on time. All throughout the process, there's going to be an open line of communication. If you see that there's something that you weren't quite expecting, you're going to be able to hit us up in that text thread, call your project manager, even your project guide if you need to. But like we said, 15 to 20 square house, probably take 10 to 15 days. As we approach the end of the project, we're going to be scheduling a post-production walkthrough where your project manager is going to come out. We're going to take a look at everything together to make sure that you're 100% satisfied. Prior to that post-production walkthrough, we are hoping that you haven't kept a secret list of 30 things that you're displeased with. We want you to talk with us throughout the entire process to make sure you're 100% satisfied. If at that post-production walkthrough you have any questions, please ask them then.